Hey guys, received a new skin on your weapon and wanna know how to equip it? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG mobile application. And once you're there, on the bottom right here you can see something known as inventory. Just simply select inventory. And once you've selected inventory, on the right side you can see this gun like icon. Just simply select it. And once you've selected gun icon, here you can see this drop down menu that contains of various weapon types. So you can just simply select it and choose the type of weapon you acquired with skin. So let's say I have this AR that I had newly acquired. So I'll just go for AKM and this is the skin. So just simply select this skin and make sure it is checked right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.